Hello, you guys. So JinaSchweppe.com is making a comeback. So definitely subscribe to my blog because there's going to be a lot of exciting things happening on my blog. So make sure you are signed up, and I want to share with you guys a really awesome deal that's going on at Victoria's Secret. I did it in store. The Body by Victoria bras are $25 and regular price is $54.95. So you're saving over $25. So you can do this in store or you can do it online. But if you do it online, there is a code to where you can take an additional percentage off. So definitely now is the time to stock up on a bra or two if you need them. So I have been bra shopping for, it seems like a month now, and I finally settled on the Body by Victoria bra, and it is really comfortable. I bought 2 of them. So definitely shop the link below if you guys want to go ahead and pick some up, but also you can do it in store as well. So I love deals that you can do in store and online. So let me just flip you to the blog post and just show you really quick. Okay, so if you guys opt to go online, you can take an additional percentage, you can take additional money off. So you can take 15 off $125, or you can take $25 off $175. So I'm just gonna go over here to the Body by Victoria. Okay. So as you can see, they are on sale for $25. So they're originally $54.50. So there's tons of colors, tons of styles you can choose from. So yeah, I think this is an awesome deal. Definitely take advantage.